Welcome to Healthy Living Guide. Did you know that adults can lose up to 8% of muscle mass per decade after the age of 30 and even more rapidly after 50? It's a natural part of aging called sarcopenia, but here's the good news. Muscle loss doesn't have to be permanent. In fact, with the right daily habits, seniors can actually restore muscle strength, improve energy levels, and feel decades younger. Losing muscle isn't just about looking or feeling weaker. It directly impacts balance, mobility, independence, and overall quality of life. Everyday tasks like climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or even standing up from a chair can become harder without strong, healthy muscles. But it's never too late to turn things around. Whether you're 60, 70, or beyond, the body is still capable of rebuilding strength if you give it what it needs. The key is consistency with simple, science-backed habits that work with your body, not against it. In this video, we'll share 4 easy daily habits designed specifically for seniors to regain muscle after 50. These aren't extreme workouts or crash diets. Instead, they're realistic lifestyle tweaks that anyone can follow, no matter your age or fitness level. From smarter nutrition to low-impact strength training, these senior fitness tips are designed to help you feel stronger, more energetic, and more independent in your golden years. Ready to feel like you're 40 again? As we age, it's completely normal to notice changes in our strength and energy. But what many don't realize is that these changes are often linked to a condition called sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength that occurs with aging. Sarcopenia in seniors typically begins around age 50, but it can start earlier for some. After that, the average person can lose 3% to 5% of muscle mass per decade, even if they stay active. By age 60 or 70, this can lead to noticeable muscle decline, impacting balance, mobility, and the ability to perform everyday tasks. But what causes this decline? It's not just getting old. Muscle loss is driven by a combination of hormonal changes, reduced physical activity, poor nutrition, and sometimes chronic inflammation. Over time, these factors make it harder for the body to repair and build new muscle tissue. The good news? Muscle loss with age doesn't have to be permanent. Research shows that simple lifestyle changes, such as resistance training, increased protein intake, better sleep, and staying physically active, can slow or even reverse sarcopenia. Seniors who adopt these habits often see dramatic improvements in strength, endurance, and independence. In short, age-related muscle loss is real, but it's not a life sentence. By understanding why muscle decline happens after 60, you can take proactive steps to maintain your strength, energy, and quality of life well into your later years. Up next, let's break down the 4 daily habits that can help you fight back against sarcopenia and feel strong again, no matter your age. Habit number 1, prioritize daily protein intake. When it comes to restoring muscle strength, one of the most critical yet overlooked habits is ensuring adequate protein intake. For seniors, getting enough high-quality protein daily is essential to maintain and rebuild muscle tissue. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at processing protein, which means the daily protein needs over 60 are often higher than for younger adults. Experts recommend that older adults consume around 1.2 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day, significantly more than the standard dietary guidelines. This increased amount helps combat age-related muscle loss and supports strength, recovery, and overall health. Understanding the best protein foods for elderly individuals can make this goal easier to achieve. Excellent sources include lean meats like chicken, turkey, and fish, which are rich in complete proteins. Eggs and dairy products such as Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and milk also provide high biological value protein. For plant-based options, legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans, as well as tofu, quinoa, and nuts, are all fantastic additions. Seniors who struggle to get enough protein from food alone may benefit from protein shakes or supplements, particularly those formulated for aging adults. These can be especially useful after a light workout or as a convenient snack. Timing also plays a key role in maximizing the benefits of protein. Instead of consuming the bulk of your protein in one meal, typically dinner, it's far more effective to spread protein intake throughout the day. Aim to include protein in every meal and snack to support continuous muscle protein synthesis. This habit not only improves muscle maintenance, but also enhances energy, satiety, and even immune function. Making protein a daily priority can be a game changer for seniors looking to feel strong, agile, and confident in their bodies again. Whether you're just starting out or already active, focusing on protein for seniors is a foundational step in reversing muscle decline and boosting vitality at any age. Habit number 2. Incorporate resistance training. While walking and cardio exercises are excellent for heart health, they don't do enough to maintain or build muscle. That's where resistance training comes in, a powerful tool that can help seniors rebuild strength, improve balance, and enhance mobility. Unlike aerobic exercises that mainly burn calories, strength training for seniors targets muscle growth directly, helping to combat the natural decline that happens with age. Resistance workouts stimulate muscle fibers, improve joint stability, and promote bone density, all crucial for maintaining independence and reducing the risk of falls. The best part, you don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment to get started. Simple tools like resistance bands or light dumbbells are all you need to create an effective and safe routine at home. These tools are affordable, portable, and allow you to modify intensity to suit your level. For those just beginning, bodyweight exercises such as wall push-ups, chair squats, and leg raises are great starting points. As you gain confidence, you can add resistance bands to exercises like bicep curls, shoulder presses, and seated rows. These resistance exercises for elderly individuals are designed to be gentle on the joints while still engaging major muscle groups. The goal isn't to lift heavy weights, but to focus on consistent, controlled movements that activate muscles. Most experts recommend strength training 2 to 3 times per week, allowing rest days in between to give muscles time to recover and grow stronger. Incorporating a variety of home workouts for seniors helps keep things interesting and ensures all muscle groups are being used. Make sure to warm up before each session and cool down afterward with light stretching to prevent stiffness. Building muscle doesn't require long, intense sessions. Even 15 to 30 minutes a few times per week can yield significant benefits over time. The key is consistency and proper form. If needed, consult a physical therapist or certified trainer who specializes in senior fitness to ensure your exercises are safe and effective. When done regularly, resistance training can restore muscle strength, increase stamina, and help you feel more in control of your body. It's a vital habit that complements other lifestyle changes and accelerates the journey to feeling like you're 40 again. Whether you're looking to improve posture, gain energy, or simply feel stronger, resistance training should be a non-negotiable part of your weekly routine. Habit number 3. Improve sleep quality. Sleep isn't just about rest. It's when your body repairs, rebuilds, and strengthens itself. In fact, some of the most important parts of muscle recovery happen during sleep, especially during deep and REM stages. For seniors aiming to regain strength and energy, prioritizing quality sleep is just as crucial as nutrition and exercise. Without adequate rest, the body can't fully repair muscle tissue damage during workouts or daily activity, which stalls progress and leaves you feeling tired and weak. Research shows that poor sleep reduces the body's ability to produce essential muscle-building hormones like growth hormone and testosterone, both of which naturally decline with age. That's why understanding the connection between sleep and muscle recovery is a game changer for anyone over 60. The good news is that improving sleep quality doesn't require drastic changes. Just a few smart habits can make a huge difference. Start with a consistent sleep schedule, going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your internal clock and promotes deeper, more restorative sleep. One of the best sleep tips for seniors is to create a relaxing wind-down routine in the evening. Dim the lights, read a book, or listen to calming music. Reducing screen time at least an hour before bed is essential, as blue light from phones and TVs can interfere with melatonin production, the hormone that helps you fall asleep. Nutrition can also play a role. Many seniors find that magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens, nuts, and seeds, or a low-dose supplement, if approved by a doctor, can improve sleep quality. Staying active during the day, getting sunlight in the morning, and keeping your bedroom cool and dark are all small adjustments that can dramatically improve sleep over 60. On the flip side, poor sleep can lead to lower energy levels, reduced motivation to exercise, and even increased inflammation, all of which can accelerate muscle loss. If you're constantly feeling drained, stiff, or weak, lack of sleep might be the missing piece of the puzzle. Seniors who commit to better sleep hygiene often notice improvements not just in strength, but also in mood, memory, and overall well-being. Remember, sleep is not a luxury. It's a vital part of your body's recovery and performance system. When combined with protein and resistance training, high-quality sleep completes the foundation for muscle restoration. By taking steps to enhance your nightly rest, you're actively supporting your body's ability to rebuild, recharge, and stay strong naturally. Prioritize sleep like you would any workout or meal, and you'll begin to feel the difference from the inside out. Number 4 is the powerful role of vitamin D in rebuilding muscle in older adults. As we age, maintaining strong muscles becomes increasingly important, but also more challenging. One nutrient that plays a surprisingly vital role in this process is vitamin D. Often called the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D is not just essential for bone health, it's also a key player in muscle strength, repair, and regeneration, especially in seniors. Numerous studies have shown that low levels of vitamin D in older adults are strongly linked to muscle weakness, poor balance, and increased risk of falls. In contrast, sufficient vitamin D levels are associated with better muscle performance, coordination, and reduced risk of sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass. One of the reasons vitamin D helps rebuild muscle in old age is due to its role in activating and regulating muscle cell function. Vitamin D receptors are found in skeletal muscle tissue, and when activated, they promote protein synthesis and muscle fiber growth. This means that adequate vitamin D can directly support muscle repair after exercise and even improve the results of resistance training. Seniors who are actively working to rebuild strength through exercise, strength training, or physical therapy may see faster and more noticeable gains if their vitamin D levels are in the optimal range. Unfortunately, vitamin D deficiency is extremely common in people over 60. Factors such as reduced sun exposure, changes in skin function, and limited dietary intake all contribute. That's why checking and correcting vitamin D levels is a foundational step for anyone looking to boost muscle health in older age. Doctors typically recommend blood tests to assess levels and, if necessary, supplementation. Vitamin D3, cholecalciferol, is the preferred form, and it may be combined with calcium to support bone and muscle health simultaneously. In terms of dosage, most seniors benefit from 800 to 2,000 IU of vitamin D per day, though needs may vary depending on individual health conditions and baseline levels. It's always wise to speak with a healthcare provider before starting supplements, especially if you're on medications or have chronic health issues. Alongside supplements, food sources like fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, fortified dairy products, egg yolks, and mushrooms exposed to sunlight can help maintain healthy levels. The benefits of vitamin D for elderly muscle strength go beyond physical performance. Improved muscle function leads to better balance, greater independence, fewer injuries, and a more active lifestyle overall. This, in turn, helps preserve mental health, confidence, and overall well-being in older adults. In conclusion, vitamin D is a crucial nutrient for muscle rebuilding in seniors and should not be overlooked in any strength restoration plan. If you're over 60 and working on regaining muscle, optimizing your vitamin D levels could be the missing link that accelerates your progress and helps you feel stronger, faster, and more energized. Bonus tips for faster results. While consistent exercise, proper nutrition, and good sleep lay the foundation for muscle recovery, a few additional strategies can significantly accelerate progress, especially for seniors looking to regain strength. One of the most underrated factors is hydration. Staying properly hydrated is essential for every cell in your body, including muscle tissue. Water helps transport nutrients, regulate temperature, and support muscle contractions. Dehydration can lead to cramping, fatigue, and reduced performance, even during light activity. For seniors, who may have a reduced sense of thirst, it's especially important to drink water consistently throughout the day. Proper hydration and muscle health go hand in hand. If you want your muscles to rebuild and perform well, hydration is a non-negotiable. Another powerful tool to consider, if approved by your doctor, is creatine supplementation. While often associated with younger athletes, creatine for older adults has gained popularity in recent years due to emerging research. Creatine is a natural compound found in muscle cells that helps produce energy during short bursts of activity, such as lifting or walking uphill. Studies show that when combined with resistance training, creatine can enhance muscle mass, improve strength, and increase functional performance in seniors. It's especially helpful for combating sarcopenia and regaining lean body mass lost over time. However, not everyone is a candidate for creatine supplementation, so always consult with a healthcare provider first. Another tip that often goes overlooked is getting regular checkups for hormone and vitamin levels. As we age, certain hormone levels, like testosterone, estrogen, and growth hormone, may decline, affecting muscle development and energy. Low levels of vitamin D, B12, magnesium, or iron can also slow down recovery and lead to chronic fatigue. Routine blood work can help identify deficiencies and imbalances early, allowing you to address them with proper treatment, diet, or supplements for seniors' muscle health. Addressing these hidden issues can unlock faster gains, better energy, and improved overall wellness. Think of it as giving your body the internal support it needs to respond well to external efforts like training and nutrition. While none of these tips work in isolation, they significantly enhance your results when combined with a smart routine. Small changes like sipping more water, trying a basic creatine regimen, or checking your vitamin levels can make a big difference in how fast and effectively your muscles recover and grow. These bonus tips for seniors don't require massive effort, just a bit of attention and consistency. With the right approach, you'll not only restore your strength, but feel healthier and more energized in the process. Whether you're 60, 70, or beyond, these extra steps can help you feel stronger, move easier, and enjoy life with more confidence. Small habits, big results for lifelong strength. Rebuilding muscle strength after 60 doesn't require drastic changes or intense workouts. In fact, it's the small, consistent daily habits, like eating more protein, doing simple resistance exercises, sleeping better, and staying hydrated, that lead to the most powerful, lasting transformations. Aging might slow the body down, but it doesn't mean strength, vitality, and independence have to fade. With the right routine, seniors can regain muscle, boost energy, and feel capable and confident again, no matter their age. It's never too late to start. Your body is still responsive, still resilient, and still ready to grow stronger. Whether you begin with a protein-rich breakfast, a 10-minute home workout, or by setting a regular sleep schedule, every step counts. These habits don't just build muscle, they build momentum. You deserve to move with strength, live with ease, and enjoy every stage of life. You've learned the science. You've seen the tools. Now it's time to take action. Start with one habit today, just one. Your body will notice. Your energy will shift. And over time, these small changes will add up to a stronger, more vibrant you. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe.